Dictation start. It has been noticed in the previous part of this judgment that admittedly there is no statutory provision enabling the state government to impose restriction on the sale alienation of the property which has been sold through public auction with retrospective effect full stop. The restriction is based only upon policy instructions issued by the state government from time to time full stop. For the first time, restriction was decided to be incorporated wide policy instructions dated 31/10/1967 full stop. However, wide subsequent policy decision dated 27/8/1974, a conscious decision was taken not to put such restriction, and it was decided that even the sale certificates which have already been issued as per the previous decision should be amended full stop. The state government decided that restriction would continue to operate only on those auction purchasers who have not paid the entire auction amount full stop. Once again, policy instructions were changed. The government decided to reimpose the restrictions on the sale of the property sold through public restricted auction for a period of 10 years full stop. The policy instructions have already been extracted above full stop. Policy instructions provided that in all cases where sale certificate has not been issued, such restriction be incorporated full stop. This court has heard the learned counsel for the parties at length on this aspect full stop. Senior counsel oblique learned senior counsel for the appellant in RSE number 30 of 2008 has vehemently argued that in absence of any statutory provisions enabling the state government to put restriction on the sale of the property with retrospective effect, the government in exercise of its executive powers could not impose such conditions with respect to auctions which have taken place before the date of issuing of the instructions dated 15/9/1981 full stop. On the other hand, learned counsel for the state has submitted that these restrictions are for the benefit of the auction purchasers who are generally from the weaker sections of the society, and therefore restriction on the property could be placed even with respect to retrospective effect full stop. He has further submitted that auction purchaser paid the entire sale consideration only on 29/7/1983, that is after 15/9/1981, and therefore restriction to sell the property was rightly added in the sale certificate as per policy instructions full stop. This court, with the able assistance of the learned counsel for the parties, has examined this issue in detail full stop. In the considered opinion of this court, once it is not disputed that on the day The property was auctioned through public auction, that is on 33/1981. The policy decision dated 15/9/1981 was not in existence. Full stop.